Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg sandwich restaurant style, full guide. Start by gathering bread, eggs, butter, cheese, and your choice of toppings, then heat your pan to medium-low for even cooking. Whisk eggs with a pinch of salt and prepare buttered toast while cooking eggs low and slow. Finish with melting cheese and pressing gently for a compact sandwich that holds well. Start with a medium-low pan and melt butter until foamy, then pour in whisked eggs and stir slowly for a soft scramble. Fold gently to create layers and remove before fully set, as residual heat will finish cooking. Butter both slices of bread and toast them to a light golden brown, then assemble with cheese and fillings, pressing briefly to create a cohesive restaurant-style sandwich that stays warm and neat. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future tutorials. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sandwiches fresh and prevent messes when you're on the go, perfect for lunches or batch cooking. They stack well in the fridge and rinse clean quickly, saving time and stress. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on simple, balanced flavors to achieve that restaurant feel. Salt the eggs, melt the cheese directly onto the hot eggs, and choose one crunchy element like bacon or greens. Use spreads sparingly to avoid sogginess, and consider a light mayo or mustard for tang. Keep fillings centered to prevent spills, and press the sandwich briefly so everything binds together and gives a satisfying bite every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.